So now guys, take a look at our GBP USD. So please and please, if you not subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, like, share and also comment. So now we did analysis yesterday. You can go back to confirm on the 29th, where we predicted that we will be having a bullish move on our GBP USD, that we will be closing bullish. A lot of people actually did not believe it. They were saying, oh, at the London section, opening of the London section for the 29th, the price was kind of dropping. A lot of people were saying, oh, I was incorrect and something like that. So they came to my inbox. But all of a sudden, we kind of closed bullish. So, for the day. So that is it. Now we would want to see where our price will be going for today, which is on the 30. Where do you think our price will be moving? So I still believe that we would still go bullish. That is what I still believe. Now, the reason why I still believe so is that we should analyze it together by going to the full weekly time frame. So to understand why I said so, you will see that this weekly time frame, right, we are on a bearish move. You can clearly see that price is going, is dropping, bearish move. If you add the 10-period moving average, you see it is below 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading 10-period moving average. Once price is below 10-period moving average, you are too short. Now let's start this analysis from here for better understanding, guys. You see that once we have this impulse move down here, a correction was made, right? We had a correction, a pullback level, and now another drop has been made. Of course, once we had this drop again, we would be expecting a pullback, right? I also said it on my weekly time frame analysis aspect of it, that we'll be having a pullback, right? And this is exactly what we are going to be having. So when do you think we'll be having this pullback will be stopping? I think this pullback will actually come to stop at this level here, a level of 1.14. So I still believe, so in order for at this previous level where price reacted to, you see that price drop here, then it reacted to. So now our price has broken below it and price is now coming back to give us a pullback level. I still believe price will come to that, close to that area to react to where we had that reaction from. At least from here to there, we should have close to 200 pips. That is a wonderful amount of pips will be moving. So we still have about 200 pips movement to go. Unlike other pips, unlike any other USD pairs that will be having, maybe 50 or 70 pips, this GBP we still have close to 200 pips. So we are still on a bullish move on GBP USD. Now take a look at this daily time frame. Why I also said we'll be going bearish is that when you look at it on this daily time frame, we are bearish, right? So let's start this analysis from here. So there was a drop here, right? Then we had a pullback at this level. So you notice that, okay, let's see it from here. There was a drop at this level, right? So a pullback occurred, came to our 10-period moving average, pullback occurred. So once price broke below this previous lows, right, we saw it had another pullback, right? So this was a pullback. It came to this previous level here where we had that reaction from. Price reacted here, right? So price gave us a pullback to test that level. Now we've seen another drop, this massive drop. Of course, when we are seeing a pullback, we will be expecting it to actually come to that previous level price reacted to, and this was the level here. So we would want to see the price react at this level. Let us see a level, assume a level of 1.14 and 14. That is 1.14 we talked previously, or let us just assume a 1.14360. You can see 1.14360. So from here to this level that we talked about, that is also 280 pips. So let's just assume if you can go long and grab 200 pips, just at least 200 pips, and you opt out, that is a lot you can grab on GBPUSD. You notice that this GBPUSD, it's one of the most moved currency among our USD pairs. Any other pairs, Euro USD is not moving the way GBP USD is moving. USD JPY is not moving the way GBP USD is moving. So GBP USD is moving very well and with a lot of pips. So I mean, just imagine the number of pips you will be grabbing. So for this day also, we are expected, on our GBP USD to actually go bullish, right? So now let's take a look at it. To actually, enter this trade, would actually roll down to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame here. So guys, what we see on our 4-hour time frame is even the impulse move upward we are having. I also talked about it. We can see this movement, right? Then a drop occurred. So we kind of have this movement. All of a sudden, on that yesterday morning, when it was actually dropping, a lot of people were thinking it will actually drop to this level to take out this level here. But unfortunately, and the price did not move the way they were expected, but move the way we once talked about, where we'll be going bullish, and price kind of had this pullback. Then a bullish move was made. So now this impulse move have been made. Of course, we should be expecting a pullback. After the pullback, then we should now expect another impulse move to take out the level we talked about. So guys, now this GBP USD, it depends on when you are watching it. So this is kind of like a huge movement upward. So I will say, if you want to enter this trade, I personally will say wait for a pullback to happen. Maybe once a pullback of 70 to 80 pips happens, then you can actually now go long on GBP USD. So GBP USD, we are still going long. On this 4 hour time frame, we are expecting a pullback again before we actually go long, because we can see here this was an impulse move. A pullback was made, right? So another impulse move was made, which actually broke this previous highs. So pullback was made. Another highs have been made, which actually broke this previous highs. So we should expect a pullback. After the pullback, then we should go long again, GBP USD. And let's see what 1 hour time frame says. Well, 1 hour time frame is also going bullish. You can see this, we saw this. Let's start it from here. Impulse move here, a correction, another impulse move, right? So we have a correction here a little bit. 1 hour time frame. Let's see if you have another correction on 1 hour time frame, which I'm not yet sure, so I can't really predict the move on the 1 hour time frame. But on the 4 hour time frame, for sure, we would have a pullback before going long. So this 1 hour time frame, let's just assume we had a pullback here. Just assumption, we have a pullback here. Then we should actually roll up again on GBP USD for the day.